Jalo ngizohlala ngikuthanda Thathana luthando lwami Zokunika uthando lwami There you go, give me low Kuwe low, girl, you are my only Mungu wami Jalo ngizohlala ngikuthanda Thathana luthando lwami Zokunika uthando lwami There you go, give me low Kuwe low, girl, you are my only
Already know, Bafethu. Big shout outs. Yeah. Welcome, Bafethu. It's your boy. Matter of fact, it's not your boy like Jan Mix Up Live. Bafethu already tuned in the shit. Yeah. You already know, Bafethu. I'm new one in passenger game. My flipping co-host, Bafethu, goes by the name of DJ Iam. What's good, DJ Iam?
Jazami. 100.
Easy.
Are you good, dog?
That's
That's dope, dog. Thing is, I have a fucking superstar. I didn't want to include him actually. Kube kuyangami nje. Antwana ukhonile ukumkhipha. Yimngedwa ukhona. Oh akekho. Danke. Iguest le ngiphathele yona namhlanje dog is hella crazy, bro. He's a superstar. He's an international DJ. He's a businessman. In fact, he's not a businessman. He's the businessman. I give you the one and the only DJ Webaba. He's a booty shaker. He's a beat killer. Big shout out to you, man. International. Welcome to the show.
International. Yeah, Judge, thank you for having me, man. It's a blessing to be here, to be invited by you guys, you know. Shout out.
It's an honor having you.
I'm so happy.
Yeah?
I'm very happy to look like you. Ukhonile ukufika uzosiblessa ngepresence yakho njayami in the shack. We are honored to have you, dog, in our show. It's gonna be a super dope interview. Like I can already feel it. I can feel the vibes.
Trust.
I haven't seen you in a while, dog. Like, where have you been? In fact, before Sizi siyada, dog. Ngicela ungitshele mfana ukuthi uWebaba, who's Webaba? And in fact, who's the guy behind uWebaba? Take us back, Njayami. Qale kuphi?
Yeah. No. The guy behind Uwe Baba is actually a random boy. Let me say a boy, because now that boy in me will never die. You know what I mean? It's a boy grew up from Tembisa, 1632, born and raised like Tembisa.
Born and raised.
Corner
in
in Tembisa. So Tina vele with the soil of 1632. Yeah, I'm ngikhulela khona la, but ukhula kwami njoba silive smooth. Ukhula kwami ngikhulela eBhaca. Yes. So mina ngumuntu waseBhaca before I came this side, eVutha. Yeah, it's hot. So from eBhaca 90, I think around 90, I left eBhaca ngazwakala ngayi because my grandmother passed away because umntwana wamagogo yabona. Yeah. So after my grandmother passed away, I had to come this side. Manje ngiza kanje i-old lami liphumile from eBhaca lavala yo la yozabalaza eVusumuzi. Around 95, I think, when bathini freedom after 94. Yeah, 95. That's when bathi no kune dance ngala baphuma bafuna ukuzabalaza yayithola. Then vele baqala ngemikhukhu kwaba. Yayithola. Safaka ishak baba ukuthi uyabloma yena, mina ngiblome nomagogo. Ngiza ngapha vele ngiyi-1. Yabona? Ngiza ngapha ngiyi-1 about 90. 99. Yeah, 98. That's when I moved this side.
98.
Yeah, 98.
98 is the year ngiza ngayi. Mina was born la Jozi now.
Okay.
La eThembisa.
Yeah.
Ne. But bangiposela kumagogo eMadladleni.
Okay.
Uyangithola. So 98 ngiyanyathela la eVutha. Uyabona? Ngizoya SP we. Uyangithola. Shout out to you Njayami. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for such an amazing introduction. So
basically I was still telling you ukuthi Uwe Baba, like the guy behind Uwe Baba.
Let's go.
Ubani, yabona?
Let's go.
Yeah. So coming this side 98 99 ngikhula ngayi vele singumuntu who's being influenced khona ngayi eVusumuzi, but at the same time obviously you know spreading out because ngumuntu vele okhula kanje ngicanya music. Yabona. So since ngala nginomagogo bungumuntu ohlala asivalele yayithola ngikade ezabo abo ake ngithi Brenda Fast umdala kakhulu ezabo uMafikizolo emlanjeni basaqala ukufika bathi kune group bathi uMafikizolo exactly ethi uMafikizolo ehlaka ubanda bazozibiza uMafikizolo yayithola only to find out ukuthi I group that you know came together yabona. So I used to record ngama bathini into le ngama cassette yabona, record ku radio. Then I'll play my cassette because bengwafaka naseboxini like ibox nyana nje ekanje. So coming from that side vele bekuyinto ukuthi vele ida. So that's how I could say Webaba was being molded at that time. Yes, exactly.
I might say for the sake of saying that monento ya cassette nami shooting nesandla kulento yami
Fact, it has to.
Into lesiyenza dog. Into lesiyenza. We used to wait for YFM that bazodlala ama mixtapes siwa record. Dog. Maybe uthi mayifika ngicela ama cassette.
Nalezi abo bathi ubani lezi ama Cypher ku YFM bathi ubani lezi abo Season Scoop.
Yeah.
I used to start, we were actually talking about that yesterday.
Yes.
But before we get into like about Season Scoop and all of that, I actually want you to go into deep, like forget like about Webaba. Take us back. Who's the guy behind Webaba? Tabang.
Oh, okay.
I want to know that guy.
Okay, that guy. Okay.
Let's start there.
Okay, that guy. Utabang, yes. There's another guy vele which ngiphume naye uThabang angithi ngiphume naye le eBhaca. Yabo. uThabang ngizokunika kahle i-ID yami vele ye government yayithola, which I go by uThabang Alfred Rambowana. Rambowana.
Oh, hey.
Rambowana.
No, Rambowana ngitholile ngithi Rambowana. Damn, this new action isazala. Athi wena uyikharect uzalo.
Urambo.
Rambowana.
Yeah, actually you can even say that. You can even say that. It corresponds with that. Yeah, that's my name and my surname, man.
Yeah.
But then I don't go by that Alfred because that's my slave. So yeah. You. So yeah, man. That's who I am. Grew up in Konala Tembisa. Yeah, but I'm still in the hood, man. I'm still in the hood. So I'm the soil from the hood, dog. I think I'll even die in the hood. Even though Puma. But obviously ngiyohlala ngilapha. Yeah, but you can never take cars. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. Exactly.
Shout out to you, Njayami.
Shout out.
Before the actual show yethi iqala, big shout out to Social Mission behind the cam. Before the show yethi iqala nginizwile neRinga Ntwana and you were talking about like how you first like la umbone khona aqala ukudlala.
Oh yeah.
So I don't want him to actually answer that story before Umbuza. I would like to Umbuze as to like
no,
I don't know, like that convo for me was very interesting.
The thing is,
of cam.
The thing is, that thing is before Webaba, ngazi uThabang, you understand? And Thabang knew about Uyago, you understand? But he never told me with the Joe. Nami you know Webaba, engiphethe lapha ebhegini. So the thing kana na stage sakhe was like ngenzakalani yathola even wise mase intro I
futhi before bangibiza ngoThabang bangaze vele ngoThabo yabo khona liba bangibiza ngoThabo Steve uThabo yeah
yathola maze umuntu ovele uthi yasiphila sonke noma ngisengiyibobonga nabantu bande ngimbona untanga understand but bengazi ukuthi beyaze yena intwana yakhe futhi khona ubantwana yakho uThebo yathola so the day bagibela stage lapha kuwe I was like son ama-chance kanti and then angilela yabona i-lighting blueprint yakho uthi nanga umuntu ongikhuluma ngaye ke mangithi Webaba even though ngazange ngitshela ngoWebaba.
So that was the first time umbona.
First time.
So Ntwana, speaking of the first time akubona uNtwana wena, what was the first time ugibela i-desk uyabona manje ngishaya inamba bekukuphi and bekwenzakalani?
The first time kahle ngigibela i-stage it was not through me, it was through the late Sleazy P.
Shout out to Sleazy.
Yeah, shout out to the legends, man. Yeah, it was. So bokuse bathi emriting. Ngathi I think bokune DJ festival la. Yeah. So it was bokudlala uKofi a stage. So yena wabuthini he knew ukuthi untwana really wants to cause uhlala la because bengihlala ngila naye. Ngihlala bumper to bumper. So he took me under his wing. Come let me. Yeah, it's bonito. Yes, I got you. Angibamba ngesandla njengomntwana omncane mfana like yayithola. Gibela nami stage azodlala after uKofi. Then that was my first time actually really experiencing a crowd in stage. Yeah, it's all. But at that time, I'm same move. Yeah, it's all like saying like behind the scenes. Exactly. I don't know if kibeli setake na yadlala. Then but that for me that was a big stage that I went to. Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's all. And I'll never forget that, man. That was around I think around 2012.
Early there. I remember those days. Yeah, Shimza used to hang out nabo play coffee.
Yes, abo play motion.
Big shout outs to Udayeng bafethu Sleazy P for ukufaka ubaba. May his soul rest in peace as well.
But where you go ngida only to find out good that didn't live vele nawe. Iguwe vele. Then that's when vele everywhere he was going, I was there with him. Yeah. I told Magatudlala kuphi ngida. I told Mfana then we evolved into bigger stages. So the singer DJ again nami. Yeah, so now he's impressed. Now good to my boy. My boy. I'm proud of you. Yeah, I told. But at the same time my kala didn't for me now. Ikale fere ngelento leyo ukuthi azangivuke ngizifanda ngizoba i-DJ. Yeah, I told. But we didn't tell you it came to me, then realized look at the flipping fuck. This is actually it's a calling for me. Because in backstage, kudlala DJ lana kugqwele abantu abapaya dog. The next thing I know, ngiyadonseka ku CDJ. Mangidonsa ku CDJ, umjitu uspanisa i-laptop mara kune mixer kunama CDJ, untwana akabambanga ama CDJ. Yeah. Then ngifika ku mixer. Angiyazi mixer yini. Yayithola angijwayelanga. Ngine sengibona nami sengida.
So
Sengithinta because uphuma kwami la ne it's like ngisefonini until I became present. When I became present in the moment, dog something amazing happened because I felt that energy. Yayithola. Then I was like fucking ayenza that thing. Into le ngona yenzayo fuck I can actually fuck this shit up. Then I went after it. That's when now it started with me, which was around 2014.
Shout out to you, my nigga.
Yeah, 2013, 2014.
Fana, that's dope. And I just want to tell you, like, one thing I remember about Sleazy Dog is that he used to play like proper hip hop, like it's like he used to turn it up, like abantu bangalindelanga. And bekalethi hip hop kushuthi kube vibe whatever sound that was on. So which means you had big shoes to fill.
Rough
When
dog actually me
so,
the 10
my man. So manje kuyenzeka ngiyakuthola nami ukuthi untwana ushaya inamba uyangithola shaya hip hop ushaya hip hop
qale hip hop yes
shaya hip hop ngiyabuza untwana uyalimaza untwana uyalimaza mara inkinga yami la ngikhona ntwana like that time you even switched. I don't know if you switched or what happened, but you switched to Afro beats. So I want to know what happened. Do you think like hip hop was dying, or it was too much for you to fill those shoes like in that level like a Sleazy, or is it like a matter of cooler and grow to die? Now I'm moving with the times, as like Intang Ashilo on the last episode. Like sometimes it's important to move with the times. And you ventured into Afrobeat, and you still smacked it.
Facts.
I don't know. So I don't know, dog.
No. It's not like I couldn't feel. I felt Uguti. I don't want to be boxed in. It's me. I love music, so I love music so much, Uguti. Even when I realized food to flip Afrobeat, African Nigeria right now. By that time, Ngapha bayiqavi nasekasi. Now I'm like, okay, let me be the one that's introducing it within the hood. Yeah, it's all- innovation and grow and you know evolve, dog. You know what I mean? So for me, I saw another market that people are not aware of. I mean, let me tap into that market. Yeah, it's all- because hip hop is saying hip hop USA, but mostly I enjoy yes, yeah, it's all. So that in Africa, across Africa, so that I can push Africa. Yeah, it's all. So the reason why I went to Afrobeats was for me to tap into global market as well, because Afrobeats they played also in USA, in Nigeria, Malawi, Mozambique. Yeah, it's all. So I was like, let me also expand. Then that's when I went through to Afrobeats. Yeah, it's all. And hence we say
smashed it.
exactly. Then from then I realized, good man, you know what? We're evolving. Nigerians now are doing Amapiano talk. When Amapiano started talk, I used to fucking criticize that genre talk. I don't wanna lie, it was that thing with
Most people
Amapiano,
do it,
yeah, it's all. And there was a time Boy Santa Abo Shane. Yeah, they were killing it that time. Yeah.
Big shout out to Ushane.
Yes.
Yeah.
They were killing it that time Boy Santa piano kanje. Mofikile ke uqala piano. Yeah, or maybe you can
Yo, dog, yeah, bona lapho nami ngasho dog osikhathi Boyisanta se run abo USB. Dog.
Abo USB, exactly.
Niggas used to pull through, dog. Now I used to complain this shit sound but yazi bayishaya izingene na yazi bangijova la agents lawo yena into lena seyiki manje kazini sengikhuluma ngayo everyday nampiyanzi like suki norm
Mfana then
suki norm.
okay, sharp. Ibe lento lokuthini? I realize with Nigerians are jumping on piano.
Yeah.
So me, I can't be prideful and play Afro beats. At the same time, I'm not playing Amapiano. Yeah, it's all. So I jumped into Amapiano. Because already that's the whole brand. Yeah, it's all. And at the same time, ngikhulisa ikwaito mfethu.
Dango, dog. Before we get into Ikwaito, you heard it, dog, from DJ Webaba, the Beats Killer. We're chilling in the shack. So as I was saying, Mafethu, Untwana Begasasho, ukuthi he's an evolving artist. So umuntu ongasabi ukugrow, he doesn't mind to move with the times. So kuyo yonke le topic le before we jump into Ikwaito Njayam, there's a specific place in ngayo iBoyisanta. Boyisanta. What's the best memory you have of iBoyisanta, dog?
Yo,
because
man,
I know like that
Yo,
was the
man, that was
place, the time.
2015. I think around 2015, song around 20. Uthe. Kumuntu kumsapha. Right, so let's get have evolved, very. Oh, kapaya, dog, kapaya.
Tell me about your best moment at Boyisanta udlala.
That's what I'm saying. I'm telling you the moment right now. Right, so what going to say? I think it was around 81. Yeah, it's all. Yo, azanga bulala kanje mfana. Ngidlala hip hop.
Yeah.
Yo. For me, that was the best moment. Ngikhohlile ukuthi le event bokuya but I think uhlathi uyebeka host that on the same day.
Shout out
Yeah,
to
it's all.
Hlathi, Mafethu. Akasa host, kanti. Hlathi, we need more.
Hey, we need
more.
But see, now show your legs.
I'ma show your legs. We need them
Dog.
legs back.
Dog.
I get. Yeah, go. Any specific.
So
Sorry, Jan.
that was the best moment for me.
Shout out, my nigga. Sorry about that, bro. Iago, any specific moment you'd like to share about like Boyisanta Njayami? Anything in particular? Since in Naseko.
Like dog, I have a lot, but for now, like I won't mention a lot. That's all.
You feel it, yeah.
The event that used to be hosted, it was about Angazama Piano something. Kale early. Abu Matri, it was already packed.
I mean.
Yeah, like daytime. Abu 3, they said packed. Being Lalango 6 on that day, like already, they said like packed. And we want to also get a security.
Yeah, but iBoyisanta vele kulathi na ke
It was something else.
abo sleazy ke nabo. That's where you know we used to go and listen to abo sleazy iBoyisanta hosting lama hip hop show abo twana bathi abo bana abo sex. Lama hip hop bathi lama hip hop
Front.
sneaker what man.
Okay, yeah, I don't know.
It's a hip hop show. It's a,
Yeah,
Jet,
yeah.
you know, siyakhula
Zakudala,
phela. Yeah, siyakhula.
isikhathi sambile, isikhathi
Siyakhula.
sambile.
So but yeah, Posata man was one of those places very like Tembisa where you could go and just have fun, bro. So yeah.
That's dope, dog. So speaking of places that are dope in Tembisa, please name your top 3 dope spots in Tembisa right now in 2024.
Yo, mfana ayeyele nale. The first one, Guy The Weekend.
The Weekend.
Yeah.
Big shout out to The Weekend.
Shout out to The Weekend, man. Shout out to The Weekend. Then the second one was a Hangout.
Hang out.
1632.
Big shout out to Shinza.
Yeah. And the third one, it's a new sport. It just emerged not long ago. Yeah, it's all. Maybe it's Padayach.
Padiach.
Yeah, Eli Straight Line.
Yeah,
Yes.
I haven't been, but I've seen it like Mangula.
Yeah,
So-
it's actually prop.
Is it
It's actually
fire?
prop. Yeah, it is.
that's
It is.
dope.
It's classy. It's nice. At the same time, it's classy. Yeah, it's all.
I'm
So
feeling jam.
we're taking.
Best of both worlds.
Yes, exactly.
Feeling jam. No, it's a dope thing, dog. I'll definitely check it out. So speaking of dope sports, Njayam, give me like your top 5. That's quite a controversial one. So your top 5 DJs in Tembisa
Top 5 DJs in Tembisa. Okay, the first
right
one.
now.
First one, I'm going to Uwebaba mfethu, right now. The first one. Ne? Then the second one, Gaya Uye Full Soul.
Ngicela uqale phansi futhi.
The first one,
Yes.
yeah, it's DJ Webaba.
DJ Webaba, who number 1?
Number
5. Oh, we're going 1 up.
Yeah, we're going one up. So
Ngiyafila.
I'm one up in
Yeah,
them
feel it.
already.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's all.
Yeah.
I'm already-
DJ Webaba on
Yeah,
number
yeah,
1.
yeah.
Let's go.
Then number 2, Ear Full Soul.
Ear full soul. One mention always 2.
Yeah,
One mention
yeah,
always
yeah,
2. You
yeah,
must
yeah,
know.
yeah,
Check
yeah,
him out.
yeah,
Big shout out to
yeah,
you,
yeah.
Earful Soul, Jam. I keep butchering your name, but I'm sorry about that. Let's go. Number 3.
Level 3, ngizokaya ubani? Ngizokaya ubani? Ubani? Okay, ngizokaya, this is the jewel. What's up ubani laba? Abo Siano Hectic.
Siano Hectic.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Number 4, ngizokaya Tabby Taps.
Big shout out to Tabby Tabs.
Yeah. Then number 5, ngizokaya Noxious.
Noxious DJ. You already know, Buffett. Yeah. Very easy, but the beat gang. You already know. Shout out to you.
Ngwenya.
Hey,
Yeah,
dog, that's a
yeah,
dope top 5.
Yeah.
Please tell us what you think of DJs Webaba's top 5. Ucabangani ngale top 5 yakhe yabo DJ athi yibo na. Sitshele on the comments and don't forget to subscribe on YouTube at In The Shack Podcast.
Ejo. Angeke mina ngeke isho iphele. Mina lo ngindabona.
No,
Zokhuluma.
this is not about you.
Zokhuluma. It's not about me, zokhuluma.
Okay,
Ngila
let's go.
zokhuluma ngiyini.
Eh.
Angizothenza ngikho la. Nawe uyazwa la. Sitshele.
Ukuthi angifaka.
it's not about-
Angifaka top 5 yami.
Mamela, it's not about that.
Okay.
Sitshele.
Ukuthini?
Number 3 no number 4. Sitshele.
Number 3 no number 4.
Hey, uyazi.
Number 3 no number 4 bani kanti?
Number 3 udale
You.
Usiano Hectic.
Siano Hectic.
Number 4. Tabby Taps.
Number
Yes.
4 Tabby Taps.
Yeah, sitshele. Angifuna ungena. Hey, ngithi mina. Akasitshela angifuna ungena.
Khuluma, mfana,
Indaba ukuthi asimfihlo. Indaba
Yeah,
out
yeah,
there. Just
yeah.
when you're not in the know, you understand?
Yeah.
Sisiphakamise. Ntwana le story sakho no Tabby Taps kwenzakaleni dog. Tshela abantu.
Ezaka.
No, the whole thing iqale kaphi to end up life esifika khona igcina seba nento nyana.
Nah, man. Yabona
ukuthi sekuba into ukuthi wonke umuntu usake experience indaba zase ngathi zakuma Facebook because aringebe ku Facebook endaba la sendaba khona sefika la ifika like ngifuna ukwazi
Okay.
mina kahle angifuni ukukhulumela
What's the
abantu
story?
ukukhulumela nakusasa
Sambali.
bathi ngifuna namhlanje sibeke la sindlala
Ngiyakuzwa.
mina nawe siyayazi
So ufuna ngikhulume
Mina
manje
ngiyazi,
ngikhiphe
mina.
public.
ngifuna uyikhiphe public because
Mina ngiyazi
public
nami ngiyakhalele
yini
uyazi.
ngepublic already le
Okay, so
we need to
social media mfana there was a time
Yeah.
I think bengroove yabona ngavuka ekuseni baba ingenzani mangiscroll ku Twitter ku X mangithi thola types lapha yabona ufake uyabona uphozile la ufaka yabona
uposting.
hey mina ngenzeni ngithethe lesithombe fast
Yes.
ku X ngisise ku Facebook
Yeah.
Facebook mafika ku Facebook sengenzani hey angikhulumi ngayi ngisengikhuluma like between
In general.
in general
Yayithola. Sakhuluma in general.
in general
Uthatha
ukuthi
Umbabu.
ukuthi like women pretty women they like attention by showing off their thighs as
parts and
yeah
stuff,
it's all
yeah.
so that they can get likes and stuff like that and so they can have attention basically. So that was my topic ku Facebook.
Facebook,
But now ngispanisa image iyaka Tabi tabs yabona ay ngicela ukuposta ngidlile ngiyagidla mangicela ukuthi mangithi ma comment man, this thing is trending man. Screenshot yabona everyone now angithumele uma inbox everyone dog everyone dog everyone's all the internet yo boy delete that thing abo crazy abo DJ crazy we baba what are you doing dog delete that thing. I'm like chance what's up so hey so that now could fire delete okay delete I think that's when I was cancelled. That's when they're talking about cancel culture I think that's when I was cancelled because I got to the time no for real dog
That's crazy.
This is why I gave you this opportunity, dog, because yabona conversation le ukuthi izophela and then akaddressanga le problem le.
Unwana
Angicaba, angisho that's why now ukhona manami.
That's why ngisho ukuthi ntwana ngifraza ukuthi uzikhulumele, yathola. Lena ilanga uzofika ama-agents la uzikhulumela side lawo khona yathola. Now ngeke uthola opportunity ukuthi uzikhulumele kwenye platform bebe ngeke bayibuze because
That's true.
lento lena into abangakubuzi yona. Abantu abafuna into esiyifake ngaphansi kwecarpet ngathi into azangenzakala.
so ibe fire ke le ibe fire ngalendlela ukuthi hayi okay bathi yabona wonke umuntu manje sekezakala sengithini ngidayazi nithi ngapologize yabona let me cut
No,
this short
shaya story sonke vele ngifuna
Siyashota.
ucabanga mamela ucabanga umuntu ostubborn ucabanga akayibona into wrong
mina vele ngistabona dog that's who I am
ucabanga ngithini ucabanga no dog go back and look at your post nje yami
nawuzile inbox yami
mina ngitshela straight dog look at your post nje yami lento ipost lapha siyi ngaphinda ngakuhlangana nawe face to face ngathi baba
nawuzile kwinbox remember
Ngiyobuza ke ma-gents, ne, before
no
okay. Do you think your statement, or do you regret making that statement, or do you feel like you were wrong?
no
In any way, or do you feel like you were wrong ngokusebenzisa image yakhe?
well probably coming to think of it maybe after by good image yakhe because obviously now brand yabona probably I could have image character what yabona and so I think for that I was wrong but i-message yami le ngitry we send across it was not wrong. Yeah.
That's dope.
But ngitshela ukuthi phela
Mara wena.
sale kwashuba
yile nje uyayikhatha le ndaba le
sale
Because awufuna ukuzwa le ndaba le.
le ndaba
Uwe baba
iyawashosha
mame.
dog
Dog, this thing ikesha ifire on Facebook ukhuluma no Hectic uthi Hectic kuwe on Facebook
No, hectic. I was like, I don't remember the exact conversation that we had, but I think I had to like apologize with hectic with Facebook now. Tabi, apologize.
that's where Hectic said
but-
Mahlangana. It's
no,
on.
no,
He said that.
I don't remember.
He said that. Mahlangana, it's all.
Yeah,
Iyakwa kakhulu.
No, dog. Mina ngi.
yeah.
Yeah,
But
Petty blueprint.
the thing about it, no, I think it's because I need to.
I was there. I was involved. Criticize my nigga.
Yeah, hectic. Sakayisusa ezara. Masifike mangifike ezara ngikhohliwe dog. I think it's about
2 weeks or 3 weeks.
yeah, 2 weeks or 3 weeks late. Ngiyangena la. Ezara ntwana ngizimisele ngithi vandag ngiyogruba fucked up. Dog. Yeah, it's all. Mangena eza. Ngithi VIP, mangena VIP na ba yamachita yi. Hayi. Kwethi kuthe maka ungibona nje ukuthi nakulo. Hayi dog ntwana ba emotional ntwana. Avele ngoba busapha nje phansi.
Hayi wena.
Ngoba busapha sabamba phansi. Yabona manje le ejana. Awubuyekile da. Please baba da phansi.
Awutshwala ngathi.
Ashayana.
Ngale sothi zahagana nje.
Ashayana.
Kana akho nophuma limele.
Phela dog mamela ukuthi phela by the time umuntu onama attack yabo ungattack kwakhe ama security nawa la eminyango yayithola immediately ama security ukungithatha ungidonsa ukungikhipha ngaphandle ngithi mina ngilasimo lwa yayithola hayi u crazy ass
President.
yeah
Shout out. No, sisazosiza story esingelinye side, but shout out to you Njayami for clarifying the story. So you gave us your top 5 DJs in Tembisa. What I'd like to know now is your top 5 artists, whether international or local, dead or alive.
okay I'll have to give it to AKA.
Shout out to AKA,
2 I'll have to give it to Pro
Kid,
3 I'll have to give it to Flabba.
Flabba Nation.
4 I have to give it to KO.
Yeah.
5 I have to give it to
That's your international and local.
international and local
of all time.
of all time.
Dead or alive.
Dead or alive.
Number
As
1
you feel it, dog.
baba.
Awuyibize kahle in order.
Yo,
Uthi
yo,
number
yo, yo,
stick
yo.
look number 5.
The
Number
late
5.
K in
It's AKA. Ngathi 2 Sokau Pro.
Omunye futhi nayo
Ngathi
shile.
3 ngathi Flabba.
Omunye nayo shile.
Yeah.
No, I'm not saying anything bad. I'm just saying what you.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yes. 4 Ngithi mfungo Sokau bani?
KO.
KO. Yes. I don't know if they are 5 Sokau Touchline.
So local bana, awukho international.
No.
That's dope.
I love that.
They are also international.
That's what I'm saying. Ukuthi wena
Dope. Baba face
uphamisa
I use rope. I use rope.
So in order of touch phezulu.
In order.
5.
In order.
Yeah.
Top 5 leyo. So that means
Number 1 akuba.
it can be
Or
it
you
can
can
be
shuffle, but
yeah, shuffle. But he
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what.
Yeah, totally shuffle. No matter what you play, whatever it plays randomly, don't go one of them. Yeah.
Speaking of touchline, thank you, bro. Speaking of touchline, I know you have a song with him. We actually were jamming to the song Masipali Show.
Yep.
I just wanted to know, umazela kuphi intanga, and how did you get the feature?
Yeah. Okay, cool. Utash bathu Thabo. Ngicavela from the industry mfethu. Yayithola ngicavela from the industry, but then again ngazi through uShakes. Yayithola.
Producer.
The engineer. Yayithola. Shakespeare. Seventh way.
Yeah. Shout out to Shakespeare.
Yeah.
Seventh ways bafethu nami la ngenze khona iEP yami.
Yes. So uTash kubile into leyo ukuthi no Shakes. Angimqava uTash, angamboni. Shakes is like, yo dog, listen to this guy, dude. What do you think? You play that song, play khona enye bathi Cool Cut or release Cool Cut or i-remix release Cool Cut. Yeah, it's all. Njengoba Cool Cut beba. So ashale. Ngathi letha lo mfana la. That's why now I started. Yeah. That's why now I started collecting now his music from Shakes. Then fast forward DJ Makikini is also booked same gigs, no Shakes. Then we Thabo. Shout out Thabo. Then that's when our relationship grew from there.
Yeah, that's dope.
And how I got the feature was through my manager back then. But to see. Yeah.
Why the gama ulibiza kabuhlungu kanje? Ngathi
Cause
Shit.
ngathi nokuzisolanyana.
Why you mention
Uthi,
it? Same guy the props.
And manje sekade ya.
Dog,
We don't want
75.
definitely we don't want to
You need to
know.
know.
Sorry
What's the
about
problem?
that,
No,
dog. Nah, nothing, dog. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. It's such a grand.
So
such a
what
grand,
about
nah,
the former?
Yeah,
What
no,
happened?
former, obviously, dog. Like as a brand, now you know how you want your brand to be. Yeah, but I won't badmouth him or anything like that. I mean, where you are is where you're supposed to be. So we grew. That's what I had to even got a fixture through him. That's what, but me, already the song was there because I'm a producer. So I produced the song. Untwana was like, nah, dog, don't release this song as yet. You need another one here. And I said, this shit is already done. It's nice. We Magic.
Shout out to Sam Magic. One of
Shout
the
out to
best
Sam.
producers
Yes.
in the world.
Yes.
Better check him out. Beatmaker
Yes.
2023.
Yes.
Ninja kakhulu.
Sam Magic.
Check him out.
Facts. So even into the the guys like nah, let's get Tash on the song. Dog, I went maybe almost 8 months to 9 months. The song was supposed to have dropped the song long time.
Who? Touch.
Tash.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, don't. Oh, if you don't want the song, give it to me, dog. Yeah, it's all. Then it came a time where we arranged a studio time, a 7th wave. Yeah, one. Fika kwamploma la, na yaploma, ngathi boy, isikhathi manje sisonke sila. It's all. Let's go.
The Span.
He had to sit down though, think about it, dog.
That's dope.
But what I like, Uguti, it took 15 minutes for him to write the same fucking verse, dog. It took, I think, about 10 minutes for him to record.
Yeah.
Shit was
He's
crazy.
a dope artist.
The shit was crazy, dog.
Crazy.
And at the same time, I'm like,
8 months of waiting.
after 8 months, that's what I'm trying to say,
crazy.
dog. After 8 months of waiting. But what I'm trying to say, Uguti, that's how I ended up getting the feature.
I feel you.
Notash.
Tell me,
Dog!
what happened to One Up?
Yeah.
Nina no Andile, akusino mawubani.
Actually, no more one.
Started a
We
label.
started label.
No, don't start there. He started as a manager. Remember, he was a
Yes.
manager.
Actually, yeah. He started as my manager.
Okay, what
But
happened?
then,
Sorry, Mnganamne. What happened to One Up?
Yeah, good evening.
And
What happened to him as your manager?
what happened to him as a manager?
What
So
hap-
let's try like see
What happened to you guys? Like,
as friends.
Dog,
Oh,
tell you
yeah.
the truth.
Are you
No.
still good?
Nah,
Yeah,
dog.
maybe you can answer all the
Nah,
questions. Sorry,
tell
bro.
the truth, man. I'm not gonna say we're still good. Business was like so dog.
Yeah.
It was like But then what happened was how we came about. Bekulento leyo ukuthi unwana can see ukuthi upo yamuva phela sikhula sonke la elokishini. Yeah, it's all. Ntwana yamuva. Then he comes, he approached me. Ngivani ntwana yami vele. My younger brother, the one that did the intro for me. Yeah. It's all. Then he's like, Jets, see, we pushing. It's all. I mean, I've been to sonke. Skuleni. It's all. And create something. Boy, as long as we're moving. It's all. As we're moving now, we're coming with ideas of, let's take this thing and really make it a business. That's all. And let's monetize it for ourselves. That's all. I'm like, okay, cool. We found from my own pocket, from his own pocket, we opened an account. That's all. We put in money. I think we put about, if not more, 5K. That's all. To say, okay, this is gonna kick us. Okay, isn't this thing I to brand,
to be able to move
around.
make
Yeah, it's all I'm
expenses,
expensive.
into
Yeah.
business.
Set
Business, yeah. And we knew what we're doing. We're doing events. That's what we're doing. We're doing events. We're gonna be doing artist management. It's all. We're gonna be doing all this shit. Okay, within the entertainment, obviously. It's all. Then that's when we're like, okay, cool. It's gonna be One Up. Why? The reason why we say One Up because already we up on them. In fact, it's him at the same time who's saying the same thing. It's all. Already we up on them. It's all. Says slow deal already. Says family. It's all. Okay, cool. It sounds. It's all. Boys, Sisaya, Undwana changes on us. It's all. I mean, I seen. Futhi mele sibayeni mina ngifuna inyuku yami. Dog ngitshela ukuthi See, we had to cancel the whole shandies with immediate effect.
Out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere. Now, I think it was on a weekend, dog. It was on a 8. Ebusuku. We had to leave Siyakup airport.
It's obvious. Yakhishwa imali ila iphuma yonke imali.
Because manje amalento kula avule khona. Fika airport, it costs a scene, must figure lapha. Yeah, no. But no, it's gonna take 30 days. You need all I thought, we're gonna have to take some bit of the money. Maliam, it's my money. How can you guys take my money? No, damn it. I need my money. Yeah, John. Hey, dog. Okay. But these are my security. Security were called in, dog. Yeah, John. I mean, from there, I was like, fair. That means one up entertainment. It is what it is. But then it was not out in public.
LeBron James.
It was not out in public. This thing was happening behind the scenes. Then, I was like, let us see. My subconscious mind is already ingrained in this shit. My subconscious mind has accepted this shit as truth.
We are moving.
There's no way I could back down me. Then that's when Bengshama VOT, Bengshama hip hop, Beng host no fingers.
Yeah.
I'm a Saturday, I'm a hip hop mania show every Saturday. Ngihlangane ke ningi out azolethi artist e studio John. Mayizale ada to Tebuko ilethe out to Liperis. Liperis angazi if yamazi.
I think so. But I'm not sure,
Okay. Well, let's allow to studio. I say interviewer. He comes back. This guy's like, yo, baba, it's dope. In my mind, I'm like, listen to this guy. This another guy again is coming with the same mind as I got Andy. No. You cannot say I'm trying to throw, man.
No, what I'm saying is because whatever that comes.
Yeah. You can say it because now. Because that means I'm still attracting the same energy, but different bodies.
But you can't give anyone a chance now because you feel like.
I cannot.
That's what I'm saying.
Then when Zagaleni, unbana na ati, must susa something. Must
try it.
Must shape business. But in my mind, I'm like already. I have something going on. That still happened once. It's on. It's hitting it. You know what? Because Letole already very big tune. That means that this guy was attracted to come to me so I can continue with this shit. Ntona figure okay, no. Ntona was like the guy that was lawyer very like manager like my resources really like it's all begala kakhulu behind the scenes.
Hey Malini.
Obvious. Yeah, it's all. So even into le yokuthi okay, say suicide we register. Now we register the company now. Officially ku bathini. I bathini le online. I see where my company. Yeah.
Excuse me.
CIPC,
yeah.
We register on CIPC, we pay. Then from Lapo we open a bank account.
Register only one up.
One up. Yes. Now we register it as One Up Entertainment. Okay. Exactly how it was.
I'm a co-founder, so who and I.
I'm a co-founder, say him. No table. No tanga man. Andile. Undwana bo.
But never.
Achi, One Up Entertainment. My God. Ayabona ntwana phela nya.
Fuck this.
I'm
gonna fucking kill
I
these
was like,
motherfuckers.
what? No, I'm not saying that's what he did, but I could see now. I'm like, even though he's not gonna say it, I thought. But I was able to see good
No, so let me tell you something. He's definitely gonna say it because I'm gonna invite him. I would like to know about the clothing label and what
No, Undona to say the truth, dog. Undona is intelligent. Me not the thing about
No, it's fine. We're saying we'll invite him, young sword, up and speak to that.
Okay, let's continue on the One Up because also comment on One Up before Andy doesn't interfere. And then she has
mina ngiphushe dog. Ngiqhubeke ke nalomjita. Siphushe mfana yo. That's One Up Entertainment. It's all.
Yeah.
To tell you the truth, I wanna
straight now.
Yeah, dog. I'm
Well, that's what you said.
Well, I wasn't misjudged or anything.
That's what you said.
I'm saying that because of everything that happened after that as well. But from that moment, as things were happening,
That's a trend.
Muto Sharp, Then the next thing I know, everything we said on our goals, we say we're gonna do, we do it. Then this thing I know, finna sign my artist fast. Now we're signing more artists now, dog. I'm like, yo, dog, my man. We our agreement was we start with Webaba, the brand. Then once Webaba is there and stable and I'm cool,
yeah.
then we can
Then
now
you
be
can
able
focus on
to
bringing
take
other
other
people,
brands.
yeah.
Right now we're still struggling, dog.
Already so far abantu on board.
Yeah, it's all.
Feel.
Yeah, it's all. Right now we're still struggling. Yeah, it's all.
Feel,
Ibe le nto leyo yokuthi umntwana bamba yele ngita yazini. Futhi now I'm also going through my own phase of depression. Yeah, it's all.
Trauma.
And dog in trauma.
Trauma.
So I went through a lot, basically.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's all. So going through a lot, I think it was around 2016. At the same time, that was around Sleazy P's death. Yeah, it's all. After Sleazy P's death, that's when I was like, motherfuck, what is this life all about? Facha! Dala with the bird. Achoo! Dala with the bird. Dala with the man. Dala with the man. And fun is funny because being my driver failing me, you know.
Sure. Speaking of Isusa, it's Isusa, my friend. We back again with UTJ Webaba. Can I get it, Webaba? Yeah, back again. Chilling in the shack with your boy, Milk Supply, my friend. Matter of fact, it's not your boy. You like ya, and you already know. Jayam, I'd like to play a quiz, Nyana. You already know, dog. Maybe you'll complete the sentence. We will even start with that as a matter of fact. Complete the sentence. I hate it when niggas
Act like they love you.
act like they love you. Tupac or Biggie?
Tupac.
Zulu, Big Zulu or Duncan?
Big Zulu.
Taken or Mustaf?
Mustaf.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
Gin or vodka?
Gin tonic in the mix.
Gin tonic in the mix. You already know.
My stuff.
Maybe it's not Galena, Vegeta or Goku.
Yeah. Hey, but who shall you Dog, you know I had a dog. I had two dogs. The other dog was Vegeta. The other dog was Goku.
Yeah.
So what happened is that I sold Goku. I sold Goku on the other street. Yeah, it's all. And these dogs they look the same, like in our fight. Yeah, it's all. So I was left with Vegeta. Yeah, it's all.
Yeah.
But when time goes, I was like, Vegeta and I taking vice, but let me answer your question.
Vegeta. So, big shout out to you, Baba Mafet. You heard it. That's his the quiz. It's essentially now. Tell me, my nigga, what are you working on currently? What can we look out for?
Oh, but to tell you the truth, I'm working on a lot of things. But then, in terms of music-wise, I'm working on a feature right now with Don Trozo.
Don Trozo.
With,
shout out to Don Trozo, my homie.
Shout out, my
Yeah,
homie.
dog. Don Trozo is definitely will pull up.
Yeah.
It's my other name,
And also Wrongman Black Dad.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. And also Sam Magic. So I'm currently working on something. Come on.
No,
No, Sam.
man. Big shout out to Wrongman Buffett all the way from Momoza Buffett. You already know. I'm Sam Magic.
Sam has been, dog. Sam has been in the game.
Producer.
Yeah, it's
in
also
the
so
world.
I can never sleep on myself when it comes to that. Yeah, it's all. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing a project.
Check
with
him
them.
out, Jayam.
Yeah, you
Yakhohlelisa
should.
but check him out. Leya ingabhekila nanoma ubani. Ingayenza nanoma yiphi ingoma, nanoma yenjani, ngesikhathi esincane. Ukhaya ama-producer amaningi. Amakhulu.
Applied, yeah.
Right.
But you know, right now he's into Maskandi kakhulu, ne? Yeah, dog. But ku hip hop, kuma beats ngayi.
Yeah.
That guy is fucking talented, dog.
The beast.
He's fucking
Noma
talented.
yini, ngitshela mina noma yini.
But noma yini kahle kahle.
Noma yini.
So
Phela ibhizinisi yakhe, like ibhizinisi
Yeah.
uyazi ukuthi this is how he makes most imali ngamaskandi artists, you understand? So, but yeah, enough about Sam Magic, Njayami. Tell me, what is your favorite position in life?
Hey, that's a good question, but that's a nice one. My favorite position in life is to be who I am, dog. You know, to be in, to be within myself, my own space, to be me, to be genuine to who I am. You see, that position is the most beautiful thing ever in life.
Shout out to you, my nigga.
Yeah.
Are you signed currently? What are you working on in terms of collaborations?
As I said, as I said.
Tontozo,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
just,
Yeah.
said that. Is that a single? Or...
It's a single. It's a single. It's a single. Basically, I'm chilled, man. I'm moving at my own pace.
No
It's
album in the making.
No, not anytime soon. At the moment, James, I want to singing. Bah. I've dropped a couple of singles already. That's all.
dope.
I've dropped Paparazzi, featuring Amos, featuring Wrongman, featuring Malako. Go check it out on my YouTube page. It's there already.
DJ Webaba. Ne?
Yeah, DJ Webab.
No underscore.
No underscore. It's DJ Webab.
One word.
The
Yeah,
booty
yeah.
shaker. The beat
Space.
killer.
DJ Space Webab.
Twana, otherwise,
International body shaker.
big shout out to your brother, Mtsepana.
Yeah.
For such a
The-
dope intro.
Tepo the cute poet.
Tepo, the cute poet, big shout out to you, homie.
Yeah. He's the one. He's the one.
Dog, like I remember, I don't remember in fact which event, but I was there. Hey, dog, Mangpega, the ladies, dog. I actually was shy in.
Just go down and break your neck. Webaba. So what happened, dog? I wanted when I started deciding to become a DJ, I wanted something that people will know me by even when they don't sing me. Right? So I thought about it. I was like, nah, dog, you need my intro nyan. So that even when you play, people will know and recognize your signature that it's you. Yeah, so I wanted someone different, and I got my brother, knowing who's a poet. I hit him up. I was like, my boy, I know you're a poet. How about you give me just an intro nyana for my mixtape, so that my mixtape can be unique.
Kept it in the family.
Yeah, I had to, dog. I had to, so that because he's also an artist. He's an artist, so he's in it.
Except for the cute
He's
poet,
in it,
dog. You already know, Donna. It's love. Hey, we out here chilling in the shack. Don't forget to subscribe, Afei, to hit the subscribe button. Just search for In the Shack. You can also take in Njayama or DJ ER. Go check out. He's got some dope ass mixes out. You already know. So Njayami, just tell me. I just want to know. Mong in the studio, what are you looking for in an artist when you're working in the artist? And like, how do you select beats? Because I see like you've got different taste of music. You go from hip hop with Touchline, you go to
Afrobeat. No, that's Afrobeat.
Yeah,
I actually took.
Afrobeat.
Yes,
Yeah.
I actually took Touchline to Afrobeat because I know Gucci is a hip hop artist. Right? So I
Exactly.
wanted to challenge him.
Then
So what
you-
happens with me is that as an artist, I listen to you and I'm like, okay, this one, he's grand, so it can be cool for this type of sound. Right? So- And I know we made a song as well now. You and hip hop artist, I know.
Yeah.
And I took you, I put you on a piano song.
First piano. I
First
did,
piano,
yeah,
exactly.
experimented.
Exactly.
DJ
you know?
Way Baba. Way Baba.
Way baba, way baba, way baba, way baba. The big
Shout
killer, the
out.
body shaker himself. Po.
Shout out to you, Njayami. Dog, I don't know if you have got like any few last words before we
Bana ngiyahamba,
we
bana
close
bona
down. That's what I'm saying.
nelanga lisilia.
Liyasakha.
Sorry.
Liyachopela.
Hayi.
So, Ntwana, I don't know if you have like any last words before Sivala show to DJ Webaba. Yeah, I'll just give it to you now if you've got anything.
Dog, angako ukubhayi engakusho kwebaba Njayami ukuthi nje ngiyabonga ukwazi Njayami and it's been fun Njayami ula empilweni yami.
Yeah,
Yabona,
yeah.
sewumuntu engikwazi
Ah,
ukustruggle,
usazongazi,
ngiphila
mfana.
nawe,
Usazongazi,
Njayami.
usazongazi.
And, there's something that I'm doing and I'm working on.
Yeah.
Manje say right.
Yeah.
Lona umuntu unyana ocela favor, nomuntu obhadala.
Yeah.
So ama-favor lana siya-avoideni ma-gents. Yona nto ama-favor le yama-artist le siya-avoideni because we don't eat ama-favor. Sidla isinkwa wafethu. So as soon as ibudget iba sharp Njayami, I'll make sure to ukuthi ngidonse nje imisebenze and thank you for pulling through Fanakh Njayami. You made our day.
Shout out.
Something else Njayami. Kune-impact oyenzile empilweni zabantu Fanakh. Kune-impact oyenzile empilweni yami namhlanje. Une-impact ohlezi uyenza uyazi Njayami. Ngihlezi ngiphila nawe. Ngithatha ungibeke nasendaweni. Sinezinto zethu behind the scenes.
Hey wena.
Yeah, dope. Anyway, big thank you Nagimi Jayam. But before si rapper, ngicela usitshele ukuthi excuse me, before si rapper, ngicela ungitshele ukuthi sikuthola kuphi on the socials. Give me all your socials and yeah, what to look out for in the future. And yeah, man, big shout out to you. So what after?
You can find me, man. I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere. After episode, another one. After this one. Yeah. No, you can find me on all social media platforms, man. On YouTube, I'm there as DJ Webaba. On Facebook, it's DJ Webaba. On Instagram, it's DJ Webaba. On X, it's DJ Webaba.
DJ Webaba.
Yo, basically on TikTok, it's BDJ
Webaba.
Yeah.
So what's your freestyle? I'm freestyling this shit right now.
Big shout out to everybody that tuned in.
Yeah, and I had a question for Webaba, but I'll save it for another day because he might put through.
He definitely has to come back because I feel like already it's the longest episode that we have thus far, and when I'm spending my episode but we have so much that we have to chop up with DJ Webaba, and we're still gonna bring him back. But anyway, big shout out to everybody that tuned in. Please, Buffet, to tell your mngani, to tell your choose to do the right thing, to choose
subscribe
in the Shack podcast. You already know. It's your boy Buffet to
and we appreciate your comments. Please
follow
comment.
me on social media also, Milk Supply SA across all social platforms.
Yeah, what music Ngilandele lapho on social medias.
Ngibonga iGoat. Mele babone ukuthi ngifuna ukubonga ngokuphelele.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga dog, like you've always showed up when I called you.
Yeah.
Yabona manje you showed up.
Yeah.
It means a lot to me, Njayami.
I'm actually showing up for myself, though.
Exactly.
So I can never sleep on myself.
Damn.
Show up, my dog.
Big thank you. Big shout out to Social Motion. Danko. Po.
Hey. Khalil.
Drop that fucking mic. I must say that.
Sizofika Njayami. Sisa kancane.
Siyakhula.
Sisasho ngomlomo kwamanje.
Jalo ngizohlala ngikuthanda thathana luthando lwami zokunika uthando lwami. There you go, give me low, kuwe low, girl, you are my only. Ngowami jalo ngizohlala ngikuthanda thathana luthando lwami zokunika uthando lwami. There you go, give me